Hi everyone, let's solve this question. This is a question which I've created based on the questions available in the GMAT official advanced questions book. Alright, now let's get started. A and B are two sets of integers. What is the number of integers in set A that are not there in set B? So that's the question. Now we are given two statements. Statement 1 says C is the set of integers that are only in A or only in B or in both. The number of integers in C is 12. And statement 2 says the number of integers in A is 8 and the number of integers in B is 7. Now the question is about the number of integers in set A that are not there in set B. Pause the video, give it a try, and then let's solve this question together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try, and please do subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed, so that we can continue bringing you good content and support you in your preparation. Now let's get started with the question. Now statement 1 says C is a set of integers that are only in A or only in B or in both. So let's try to visualize this. Now let's say we have a Venn diagram and this is set A and this is set B. Now if we are talking about set C, which is the set of integers that are only in A, which is this part over here, only in B, which is this part over here, or in both. So that's actually the union of these two, right? And that is given as 12. All right. Now with this information, are we able to find the number of integers in set A that are not there in set B, which is only this part over here? We cannot, right? So definitely statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Now what about statement 2 alone? It says the number of integers in set A is 8 and the number of integers in set B is 7. Again, using only this information, we cannot find the number of integers that are there only in A and not in B, right? So that would be this part. We have no clue about the intersection area over here as per statement 2 alone. So definitely statement 2 alone is also not sufficient. Now let's try to solve this question taking both the statements together. Now if we take the statements together, can we find the number of integers which are there only in B? We know that the number of integers in A or B, which is the union, is 12, and we know that the number of integers in A, which is this much, right? We know that there are 8 integers over here. So therefore, if we subtract 8 from 12 or do 12 minus 8, we can find the integers which are there only in B, which is this shaded area, right? So that would be 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4. In a similar manner, the integers only in A would be 12 minus this over here, right? So that would give us whatever is only in A, which is this shaded area over here, right? So that's 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5. And that is what is asked over here, right? The integers which are there only in A and not in B. So the correct answer is C. We are able to solve this question taking both the statements together, but we cannot solve it with any statement alone, right? With either of the statements alone. So the correct answer to this question is option C. All the best in your preparation.